And into the markets right now, the Dow off by about 12 points. Let's get down to Suzanne O'Halloran, who is at the New York Stock Exchange. Suzanne.
Hi, Betty. Well, as Matt Zeman just said, traders are really posturing ahead of what's going to be a very busy day. We have the Fed's beige book due at 2. That will give us a snapshot of regional economic activity. We also have OPEC members preparing for their meeting, which should take place overnight, giving us some type of indication on where oil prices may be headed today, in the future, rather. So, again, posturing, heading into these big news events. We do have some modest gains in the price of oil at $71. Gold continues to sit around that 1,000 level, plus dollar weakness factored into all of the commodities today. So keep an eye on energy stocks and material names. These groups saw big gains yesterday and really supported the rally on the heels of a view that the global economy is recovering. Now, Alan Greenspan, former Fed chairman, speaking today in New York, saying that he sees signs of a global economic recovery. But again, we might have some posturing ahead of what's going to be a very busy day news-wise. Now, several analysts are turning more positive on certain financials. That's going to be your credit card stocks. We have Citigroup getting more positive on MasterCard and Capital One. They say credit trends are improving. Now, we did get the credit data yesterday, consumer credit, that actually saw a record decline. But again, they say that we may see some gains in these particular stocks. I threw American Express on that list as well because these stocks do tend to trade in tandem. Also, watch shares of Dow member McDonald's. McDonald's is indicated to open lower. Their August sales did rise about 2.2% globally, but that was a little bit less than what analysts were expecting. So McDonald's could be one of the weaker Dow members today. We are seeing some early declines in that stock. And finally, tons of tech news expected today. So tech stocks could be very active. John Ehrlichman was telling us about the chip stocks. Texas Instrument has a mid-quarter update later today. We're waiting on news from Apple and Google expected early this afternoon, Betty. So tech could be a huge story as trading gets underway. Betty?
Okay, Suzanne, thanks so much. Suzanne O'Halloran down at the New York Stock Exchange.